exam portion, determiners. Determiners are the words that are used before nouns. These are simple words which can use before the nouns to indicate if nouns are specific or general. We can indicate the nouns, we can indicate the names, it is specific or general. So the small words, articles, ordinals, like it's going on, that word which is used before nouns. Such kind of words we can say as determiners. It also indicates the nouns as specific or general. Generally, we can define the noun as a specific or general through these determiners. Here are some kinds of determiners. Through these determiners, we can see how the determiner defines the nouns as a specific or general. Articles are one of the determiners. I have already prepared a video as an article in my education vlog. If you want that, you can see it. Article a and the, and I have given the detailed explanation of detailed analysis of articles a and the there, so you have to watch. So this article, that means a and or the, we can use as determiners. You already know, before the consonant sound we can use a, and before the vowel sounds we can use an, and if we are after referring such kind of a person or such kind of an animal, we can, if we want to say it, if we want to mention that thing again, we can give the indefinite article the. I have given clear explanation in that video in articles. So I have given two examples to remember you as, have you drawn a picture? In this sentence, have you drawn a picture? By using article, it also defines that a picture is there, have you drawn it? The next example is, did you read the lessons? Did you read the lesson? The specific lessons. Have you read the lessons? So here by using article the, we have created a sentence. Did you read the lessons? By using these articles, we can define the noun as specific or general. The second one is demonstrative adjectives. It also gives to show the demonstration where the things sit, where the things remain. For example, this, that. By using this demonstrative adjective, where a thing plays. For example, this is my phone. If I kept the phone near to me, I can say this is my phone. If that same phone I kept near the table, I can say that phone is mine. Such kind of two differences we can see there. By using these adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, we can define as, this is my phone, this phone is mine, and that phone is mine. That it also, the same thing also situated in the different places. It also shows the different places. By using this and that demonstrative adjectives, we can define that. The next one is these and those. For example, I kept some pens with me near my table. We can say these pens are mine. I kept the same pencil in the next room's table, study table. That time we can say those pens are mine. Such kind of two definitions we can give there by using this determiner, these and those. It also demonstrating where the things place, where the things set, where the things keep. The first example is, this bird is friendly. In this sentence, by using the demonstrative adjective this, we have framed a sentence. This bird is friendly. The particular bird which was near to me was very friendly to me. By using the demonstrative adjective that, we can write this sentence again. That bird is friendly. By using that, we can write the same sentence again. That bird is friendly. Okay, I have given one example here. This bird is friendly, but using the demonstrative adjective that also we can refer this. We can refer this bird. The next example is these animals are not friendly. These particular animals are not at all friendly to me. So by using those, we can say the same sentence again, that those animals are not friendly. If these animals are standing or somehow far away from me, we can say those animals are not friendly to me. If these animals are standing very near to me, we can say these animals are not friendly. So by using this demonstrative adjectives, we can demonstrate the things. Demonstrates the animals, persons, etc. Okay, by using this, that, these, those, we can frame the sentences as by using demonstrative adjectives. The next adjective is possessive adjectives. These are one of the determiners. By using the words my, your, our, their, his, her, we can define these determiners in a sentence. This is my sister. Is this your pen? These dresses are ours. These are their rooms. His brother is an IAS officer. Her handwriting is beautiful. Like the sentences, we can give this possessive adjectives determiners. By using that, it also shows the possession of something. This is my sister. This sister is mine. By using these possessive adjectives, we can show the possession of something and we can create the sentences. By using my, your, our, their, his, her, etc. For example, my sister sings her favorite song. My sister sings her favorite song. She has her own favorite song. She wants to sings it. So, my sister sings her favorite song. Her favorite song is also a possessive adjective. By using her, she can define this sentence as she sings her favorite song. The song is her favorite. The next example is Mr. Ajay is cooking his food. Mr. Ajay is cooking his food as his own preparation. He likes to do cooking and he is doing to cook his food very well, and by using the determiner of his, the possessive adjective shows Mr. Ajay is cooking his food in his own hand. The next type of determiner is adjectives of quantity. This determiner shows the quantity of something. When we want to show the quantity of anything, some of the determiners we can use. Actually, we can use the following determiners like any, few, a few, many, little, much, each, every, neither, several, some, both, each, either, enough. Such kind of determiners we can use to show the quantity of the noun. This is adjectives of quantity. I have given two examples here. First one, a few drops of water is remaining in the bottle. It also shows the quantity of water remaining in the bottle. Few drops of water only remaining inside the bottle. This a few shows the quantity of water inside the bottle. So it is adjective of quantity. The next example is there enough food to serve? Is there enough food? Enough here is the adjective of quantity. Is there enough food to serve? By using these adjectives of quantity, we can show the quantity of the noun. The next one is numbers. Numbers also considered as determiners. 1, 2, 3, 60, 70, like we knew the numbers. Such kind of numbers considered here as determiners. Any number we can consider as determiners. I have given two examples here. The first one is, my friend has 20 minutes to deliver his speech. In this sentence, I am reading again. My friend has 20 minutes. He has only 20 minutes to deliver his speech. This 20 minutes shows the number. This 20 is considered as a determiner here. My friend has 20 minutes to deliver his speech. By using determiners, numbers like 20, we can frame a sentence here. My friend has 20 minutes to deliver his speech. The next one is, I have 30 lovebirds in my nest. In my nest, I have 30 lovebirds. It also shows the number of lovebirds here. 30 lovebirds in my nest. I have only 30 lovebirds in my nest. By using these numbers, we can frame the sentence and we can apply the determiners as numbers here. The next one is ordinals. Ordinal numbers also we can use as the determiners. Ordinals like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like it's going on. Such kind of ordinals we can consider as determiners. For example, who did score the highest mark in the mathematics exam? The answer is considered as the determiners. Who has got the first rank in the mathematics exam? That's the question. Here the answer is the determiners like first. Who did score the highest mark in the mathematics exam? The answer will be who got the first rank of mathematics exam, isn't it? So the answer is the determiner here. The next one is, I have third rank in my class. I have third rank. This third is considered as the determiners here. I have third rank in my class. In these two sentences, the first question, who did score the highest mark in the mathematics exam? Here we get who got the first rank in the mathematics exam, isn't it? So the answer is considered as the determiner here, first, the ordinal first. The next sentence is, I have third rank in my class. I have third rank in my class. The third is considered as the ordinal. Students, today we have discussed the determiners here. You already know determiners are the words that are used before nouns to indicate if the nouns are specific or general. Today we have discussed that the first type of determiner is articles. Articles are a, an and the. We have discussed that articles with some examples today. And the next one is demonstrative adjectives. This that, these and those. The next one I had discussed possessive adjectives like my, your, our, their, his, her, etc. The next one is adjectives of quantity by using any, few, a few, many, little, much, each, either, neither or other, several, some, both, each, either, enough. By using these adjectives of quantity we can indicate the nouns. The next one is numbers. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40 like numbers are going on. That is also considered as determiners. Ordinals like first, second, third, fourth. This also considered as determiners. Thank you.